Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm here for another episode of the continuing saga of my leaf blower. Here's where we're at this week. Last week, you might remember, I emptied out my gas can. So I went this week and I picked up some 40-to-1 mixture. I picked up a can of Seafoam, and while I was at the big box store, I looked at the no-ethanol gasoline that you can get. Now it was pre-mixed 40-to-1, so I would have saved $1.50 on the 40-to-1 mixture. But it was $6.99 a can. You got 32 ounces, which means $28 a gallon for gasoline plus tax. I'm not paying that much for gasoline. I'm too tight, man. 28 bucks a gallon, jeez. So I went to the marina. They assured me, the fellow behind the counter assured me their gasoline is ethanol free, and it was 90. I don't know, 4 or 6 octane. I don't remember what it was, but it was a much higher. I'd been getting like 86 octane, so higher octane rating as well. I'm going to go ahead now, and I've got 1 gallon of gas in my little can. I'm going to go ahead and mix in the Seafoam and the 40-to-1 mixture and get it mixed up. I went and emptied the tank on the leaf blower into the weed eater this week, so I could use that gas up. So my tank is empty. I'm gonna fill it up with this new mixture, fresh gas, fresh everything, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm kind of feeling like it's probably gonna be about the same thing this week as it was last week, because I think I need to run a tank or so, maybe 2 tanks through this, and let the Seafoam do its job of really cleaning everything out, because here's my theory. Not last year, but the year before, I sold my house halfway through the summer. So I only cut the grass for half the summer. I did drain my tank, put my leaf blower in storage. Last year I didn't have to cut it all because they were building my house, and the grass didn't really start growing until December when they planted it. So this is the first year that I've had to cut. So it was a year and a half of just setting. And I'm concerned that any residue in there probably, the gasoline dried, the residue probably varnished up the carburetor, etc. So I'm not looking for a big change today, but I'm going to wait two, maybe 3 weeks. I'm going to run a tank to 2 tanks through this thing. Then I'm going to come back and let you guys know how it's doing. And we'll make a decision what to do at that point if there's no improvement. So let's get busy and mix this fuel up. You get the gas can open first. Got the Seafoam. I've never used this before, so I read on the instructions, and it says to put 1 ounce per gallon of gas. So let me get the plug pulled out of it. Got a little measuring cup here, and I'm going to measure out 1 ounce. All right, we'll go ahead and dump this into the gasoline. This is just Seafoam. I picked it up at the big box. I've got some Briggs & Stratton 2-cycle oil. We'll get that mixed in there. It's 1 container per gallon. Get the top put back on here. Give it a good shake. Let's fill our tank. Trying to go slow there. It's really hard for me to see from this angle, but we're full. Get the cap back on here. All right, I'm going to clear away everything, and then we're going to try to start this. All right, per the instructions, prime it 6 times. 1, 2, 3. I can see the gas fill in the bubble. 4, 5, 6. Set the start. pull the rope 5 times, and then squeeze the trigger and pull the rope until the engine starts. So, there's 5 times, squeeze the trigger. I'm going to flip it over to run because I can smell gasoline. Re-choke it. I kind of figured it would be similar to last week. I'm at 30 some odd pulls now. No fire yet. Not going to worry about it. Like I said, it will eventually start. Once it does, it will run great. So I'll go ahead and take care of the yard this week. I'll probably check back in with you after, let's say, run a tank, maybe a tank and a half through it, and we'll see what's happening. Thanks a lot for following along, and I'm sorry it wasn't a better result, but at least we're moving in the right direction. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.